Wow. So what do you have there? How do you pronounce the name? Neville? Neville? How do you pronounce it? You like it? The black train? Nice, huh? Another train toy, huh? Huh? The black train, huh? Alright, let's go, let's pay for it. That's a fire truck, huh? You're on a fire truck, Julian. Yeah, but we have no coins, unfortunately. Come on, let's open your train, your new toy. Yeah, we're gonna open it.
Yeah.
Or let's go home first.
Yes.
You wanna go home first?
Yes.
Then open it there
Yes.
when we get back home?
Yes.
Mm. Alright, let's go. Let's go now. Fire truck, you wanna stay there for a while? Okay, sit down. Sit down on your car seat. There you go, very good. Alright, buckle up. What's the name again? Neville, Neville, whatever, I don't know how to pronounce it. Alright, mommy's gonna open it for you, Julian. Wow.
No.
Wow. Black choo-choo train.
Hello.
Wow. Nice, huh? Black choo-choo train. Choo-choo.